Every Python object hides a dictionary. Dunder slots lets you eliminate it entirely. By default, every Python instance stores its attributes in a dunder dict, a dictionary attached to every single object. When you declare dunder slots as a tuple of attribute names, Python skips creating that dictionary entirely. Instead, it allocates a compact, fixed-size block of memory per instance. For a simple two-attribute class, this can cut memory usage by 50% or more. The payoff is biggest when you are instantiating thousands or millions of objects. Think geometric points, financial tick records, or rows in a data pipeline. Slots also speed up attribute access. A regular dict lookup involves hashing the attribute name, but slots use a fixed memory offset, similar to a C-struct. In tight loops over large collections, that difference adds up. The main trade-off: you lose flexibility. You cannot add attributes not declared in slots. Any attempt raises an attribute error. Also, if a subclass does not define its own slots, it gets a dunder dict back, partially defeating the optimization. Use slots only when your class schema is fixed and stable. Use slots for high-volume, fixed schema objects to cut memory and speed up access. Remember, no dynamic attributes, and always declare slots in subclasses too. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.